Ah, that's a beauty. It's a beauty. So we did this project. We did a bunch of stonework earlier through May and June, and then we just came back for phase 2 of installing all the plants. There's going to be a later phase 3 and 4, but for now we're at phase 2. We installed a bunch of plants, a bunch of mulch, and then a temporary drip line irrigation system, which we'll show you. Starting in the front area here, we installed a whole bunch of cherry laurels, a whole bunch of boxwoods, a whole bunch of coneflowers. Along the back side, we installed a bunch of arborvitae green evergreens. I think we did like 36 evergreens, 16 or 18 laurels, and then like 40-ish coneflowers. No, 40-ish. Actually, yeah, coneflowers, and I think 45 boxwoods, something like that, and put down 16 yards of mulch. So let's walk through. On our left side over here, we have all the boxwoods, all the laurels, a few of the evergreens, a bunch of the flowers. We kind of centered it so that the boxwoods are on center and the flowers are to the sides of that, as well as the laurels being along the center and the arborvitaes on the sides in terms of the front yard. On the other side, we did the same thing. We have a bunch of the boxwoods, laurels, coneflowers, kind of laid them out purposefully along with a stepping walkway down the center to the spigot. Walking further back along the side of the house, we put in some, what do they call them? Cone or arrow boxwoods, something like that, where they stay like columnous in a skinny line and will grow up vertically along the wall, along with other boxwoods that are more bushy and flowers on the sides again. Looks very nice, complements the side of the house, the brick, and the windows of the home, along with this concrete being poured and extended, widening the driveway, as well as getting poured up to the additional shop that's been built here. Here in the backyard, we pulled out a whole bunch of bushes. There was a big holly there, it's kind of ugly, and blocking the meter box, so that had to come out. We put in more laurels, more arborvitaes, more boxwoods. Again, another temporary stepping walkway as well. And now once that grows in, it'll block out the barbecue. A homeowner just pulled up. He's got a sweet Porsche. You'll see it. So that'll block the barbecue area so everything can be grilled and nice, and there'll be more privacy for the pool in the backyard. Moving back, this is the work that we did in May and June. We did a walkway using a bunch of bluestone, pea gravel. We veneered the wall, used stone cap here as well, along with a backup drainage system along the side. Ah, that's a beauty. It's a beauty. Nice. And then veneer stone along the side of the shop as well. It looks very, very beautiful. You'll have a lot of nice shots. Backing up further, there's another entryway right here with the another side shop entrance. More wall, more arborvitaes, and a whole bunch of stuff. You'll get a bunch of shots of that. Looking to your left right now, there's the temporary drip line. You'll see. So what we did is we put it in the ground and just come out to a garden hose kind of hookup for now. This way, because really the whole point of that is the backyard, the irrigation is going to be redone. And for now, the drip line is in, and it'll just be ready to be tapped into with new zones, you know, come whenever the irrigation time's to be done. So that's done. More concrete in the back, more bluestone, more wall stone, more sexiness everywhere. All right, here's another one of those drip lines I was talking about down below here. Just another hose hookup. Come time for new irrigation zones, this will just get dug underground and piped in to normal valves. Also, while we're here, we have all of the drainage lines from around the shop and gutters. Everything runs under the concrete, along the side, and down to the bottom of the driveway. So, I mean, it looks pretty nice if you ask me, I'm not gonna lie. Who we are, we're a landscape and construction company. We build out patios, retaining walls, sod, irrigation. We do a lot of grading, drainage work, French drains, gutter drains. Not actual gutters, but the drainage runoff. We do concrete, driveways, walkways, patios, pavers, concrete, pavers, retaining walls, a lot of walls. I love walls. Love walls. Build the wall. Also, we are in the Charlotte area. I like to stick to the east side of the city, from Indian Trail, Matthews, South Charlotte, Ballantyne area, Waxhaw, go up north to Harrisburg, and maybe to Concord, kind of the furthest I like to go. Who likes to drive far? Not me, you know. So we work in that area. I like to stay within a 30-minute radius. We do all that work pretty efficiently. We got a 4-man crew at the moment, building out a second crew. We work with a lot of partners depending on what we're doing. Also, we work, let's see here, we just work, man, you know, like, that's what we do. We work. So if you want us to work for you, we will work for you. You know, you want it done A to Z, no problems, no questions asked, just get it done. I'm the guy for that. You know, there's guys that are better specialists, sure, but are there guys that'll be as efficient and as communicative and, you know, just one-on-one with you and be able to figure out problems? One of the best for that. You know, I'm a problem solver. So phone number 704-724-1940. Website is alexslawnscape.com. That's ALEXSLAWNSCAPE.com. Call me, text me. Hey, like and subscribe. Just pop it in the end. Just do it, man. I'm out here struggling in the heat, man. Like, it's the least you could do. Just subscribe already. Oh, that's the perfect temperature. Yeah.